Good morning, YouTubers, and we'll do a quick painting this morning. Oh, I've not got my paints up. There you are. Just a quick painting, a very quick one, just a loose scene. Let me see. Sometimes I can get a better idea starting this way. No, it's strange, but it's only a quick pair painting that we're doing today. I won't have this too. There we are. Just a quick painting for you today. Just a quick sketch. It's warmer today, but still cold. Not that cold, so we're not that cold today, so here we go. There we are. You can see I'm only doing a quick sketch for you, and it's not hard to do. Now that's the main part of the painting popped on. So what you do now, you just dry that off with a hairdryer. Okay, now I'd put it a bit stronger blue than that. Depends on your camera after. Sometimes the camera changes a little bit. You know, and it changes everything. And I find if I do it like this, spontaneous, I can do it better. It doesn't. It looks better to me because I'm not trying to make things too perfect. Next thing we put a layer of trees over there at the back, with just a bit of yellow and green. Heat across here. Maybe yeah, like this. There we are. Now keep this. We'll have it solid at the bottom here. Solid layer, say, kind of thing there. Just now we'll leave a little bit of a space there bit of air, like that. Where are we? Here you go. Just a little bit of yellow and ultramarine this. Keeping it clean. See, we're doing it this way and not spending too much time. It looks okay and you've not spent a lot of time. Doesn't make things too difficult. And I think that's not too... All we need is a little bit of wear and tear on the bridge, see? Let's see. That way. I'll put the brush that way. Looks okay that way better, doesn't it? That's it. Just dry it off and I think we're not so much far to do. Okay, so here we go, keep going. Just a little bit more things to do and then we've finished. Well, that's it for today. There you are, YouTubers, that was a quick one. Nothing special. Not trying to be perfect with it. It seems to be better that way. Okay, thanks beginners. That's just for beginners. You don't need artists to know how to do things. They don't need me to show them, do they? So there you are, everyone. Have a go at that one. Bye bye.